team. A kickoff meeting will commence in 3 weeks' time to approve the timelines for all the various teams. In the full implementation, underline word, full implementation of the VAR. It's a chance. Yeah, the next season, you best start a pilot. The next season, be a match. Now you use VAR. Be a koto has be. So net VAR bem. Yeah, hey. Said the nam. Say Smith Rowe at ABC. Oh no, VAR no. Ref, remember Akwaba.
Yeah, chairman.
Obini Chris Namiadum. Obini Chris said Omo Hadada. VAR no Ghana. Yeah, the name says the FIFA Sasana Kakramai. Omotia ana odem ma obi gwa obi. What also Sasana Kakramai? Say, also you mo be at the Gruntia Refi na goal.
Yeah.
Oti stadium you don't see it.
Yeah.
The idea no. VAR na omo ye no. Me Manchester City Chelsea. Manchester City we need 2-1. Just the share first goal.
Yeah.
Manchester City share third goal and 3-1. And now the Babeko scoreboard no see a goal check. No match will be a possible offside. No good scoreboard no so. Near Akadi at the stadium.
Okay.
No more train.
Yeah, train.
Okay.
Oh, was an referee number whistle. No, I say. Now so
no
decision. No goal.
Okay.
At the crane money you no goal. Yeah, Hubi. Omo mu he TV. Ofie enihu ye.
Okay.
Yeah, hano. Onye so so see in TV nzumo obi ehu.
Onokre me no ya adwe.
Said the be yen kofa asem bi ama.
Yeah.
Ref.
Anope de esa me chia nchia esofo ne ahodwofo nyina. Obi a otie me bi anope. VAR no. The meeting I can say it's a good idea. Na the hian said that no say de bia me ka say GD na VAR no esi yinya. Ana VAR so whereby ye dem de ho ne on field ne so de ho. It is in case communication e koso wo dem ho na referee so the only omom dem ho no hu how am be say ono na so obekọ baby on field review ho no. That's what I check it. And immediately the me passion say idea normal papa but ni na gidie say supporters no so munya gidie wo we VAR no yet me execute sa program no Ghana ntenye sa dia yentimi move forward na me say me pese ye be rushing because to boase Nancy, I be ni pese bibia wo Europe bia implementing in tentem but so ka say also
because full implementation in 2022-2023
it should be piloting because even CAF piloting in
say be piloting dey
be MTN FA Cup be semi-finals and finals
thank you
use for that purpose because CAF and FIFA actually say the least camera obetimi there you see 8 cameras on the field the list that's the minimum 8 cameras and obetimi use on the field obetimi ayewe until the maximum the quite have to bear 24
by the use light those are the use light there
oh yeah
how you do so obetimi ko tu
possible that the day intimacy Africa bibi bebre
is it possible say yenya no centers ni nyina maybe Accra ni Kumasi any oboase
but so and also the problem beba
yeah
so ka che me say for instance me Asante Kodoko me bo Kumasi me Hearts of Oak me bo Accra stadium e bia your stadium bo for Ash Gold the stadium no so very to theater say Karela very good
so
now ka che me say South stadium the VAR beba o nemum so ko brekuma o VAR ni ho then you go say the goal be na ni trimons I go with the Kenya papa but ono be say the same goal ni bi ha you say Smith Road ya ni boot ano abeteta wonti nye goal
chairman so no so betina ko she go a nka VAR betima disalawe ba ni agia mo no so
I understand but we feel say so the ba me home dia me at a disadvantaged because ni ba ko ni mbebo 1 tio ni ba ko ni mbebo 1 and oko onu ni chrome no VAR ni ho obakwa other centers na VAR ni ho But me, all my home matches I have VAR.
Director, chairman, not possible because on league there, it should be every center. 9 centers now for the day. No?
Because the full implementation.
Me and me kwesi me dear by install no stadium. Now we dey install no stadium. Cheating. Because obia no obia bebo. We say we share FA Cup na ntina na make say it should be pilot na FA Cup then you obia at least a knockout basis. Then pa until we kase semi-finals.
And the semi-final committee they call one venue.
Exactly. Any bit me yeah, but the league there I don't subscribe say because you be piloting on league.
But Ghana and Kasa football you hear VAR. You drum pempen so you hear VAR.
Oh yeah because you say global world you say if say be a can and nine is na kato. Nti bi wa na akoka Europeans in other areas in there. You be bit me
because currently in Africa, Morocco, South Africa and Egypt.
Yes, that's the economy ni very strong. In the sanko for your economy is very strong.
But by honor the omanya basics ni right.
Exactly.
Good pitches
and then they understand football
coverage from their various TV sponsors.
Exactly.
Massive financial injection. Ghana local football no still na area.
I don't know
your problem. Why do we jump to VAR when we've not gotten to that level?
People say VAR on which pitches?
Obi.
Pitch base on the VAR they go see no.
Babaya Sports Stadium, Accra, Obuasi, Karela.
Let's solve your media problems.
Yeah.
You say the VAR can problem so because pitches have also born in yet.
But the chairman, Mr. Demis met me. I can say most media, no, some you are putting us too much. Because the whole football fraternity. Me there sometimes I don't subscribe say referee for one football. Every year, I was said they be me come see me 6 cardinal points. I want football man. We back free man. It won't work. They be a cast a referee na say other end you know and won't me managing here. Still the problem will be persistent.
Other end club officials,
police, that's security, fans, players, coaches. It is such people, no. See, me am back. Because Obo said they are make catch us. Obo security are very poor. So how can you officiate? Obo is a referee now could bribe. Players, and if they don't understand football, they don't know the laws of the game. Omunima, Obre. Let me speak example on this here boy. Liberty and career and liberty. Boy, ya bo. Who say this is not a penalty. Referee and an assistant. Assistant is to assist the referee to control the match. That's what I say. Oh, when we are players in Tiasia. It's in every European and other places. It happens because anything you saw on page now no assistant. So we would do so if say anything you do even call the whole year review but so if you say and you corrector. Uti wait me actual now they only call review ni ahwe ni a review ni who say the referee here no or getting it wrong but they don't understand. Fans say they be every now and then be and your drawer and your winner so wired and now fans are also in betting into betting no they are betting into me call center and no na me show me share the situation the fans and them ready ebu how meet me here na na dey me debate too and it is ankoye a na or the na bra be so reference because the Peter saying all these things should be investigated and then the mass no money be bebre me kwa me de maso to form na me tie fans in some more mobeka any those kind be your bet in twa no but you twa no other South Africa need those kind of places see o timi move am for
the referees no be at me approach was the match we your score line we
o say
which we approach him say you be a champion to South Africa per score line we
me catch us obi aniwa on ye obi fans bia na say other ban ho say open every obi aniwa betimi but the most important say your integrity is at stake your dignity is at stake because our approach you are the day same na say so catch him say no enti eno na me catch us say in referee no with sa normal way nyina you face but the most important thing I say we are see who say udin ewomdin me from Richard nti usudin also udin wo ho nti the born were outsider near you get no tattoo, so I with your bribe. Another team officials. You are working on with
so the problem here also lies with you.
No,
Nipani approach you.
No, why do you argue? People? I don't know. Me agree with you. I agree with you. But the other way is a house also over approach me. And I see, we are back. We exactly. And you whereby so official we are professional. Internet we are administrator. Administrator we say no more we na. The FIFA or
Oti masem na sia. Nka betia sia.
Oh, then me to say. So we see what the back.
Nipa na ba approach you. You have so much integrity. Why reject it? How many panico?
I now reporting.
Why do you cover the person? Abraham reported the person. As soon as you are not being try to bribe me. Why do you cover the person? Because now
me cover the same. You need to sometimes you need to kind of
also recording
evidence involved. One farm my child not so qua. The day then I will wait me their approval on court and after a discipline committee will wait me.
So Jennifer call reporting.
No, I won't. I will me near who any time for what they call.
Okay, Momiamra and the game so Ghana Premier League Asante Kotoko call away to Accra Olympics. In fact, the first position versus the second position. A very interesting. And a bit told ya Obi Yese Kotoko Hotel. Omo Kodri Yese Omo room. We got Kotoko Deka. And a home sensing be Barbie Breby. Meaning say Christian that Otis asem.
Yeah, Betenra Kotoko for release
Kotoko the statement Barbonting.
Senya no cre.
Say and some enya no cre.
Jano Pekoma release video be as a players no we just in a hearty conversation. Me video na my Jerem so the better Facebook.
Well, live on Facebook. Live on Facebook. Over here Kotoko team no hotel hono. No man nanenam. Area hono. And then it's likely Vinicius Junior will start the first game for Obenya the first start. Obenya the first start for Asante Kotoko. Pictures are when see live on Facebook and on 1 HD TV no. Asante Kotoko team no. And omo take stroll as omo stretch your legs ahead of game about so ne enyume na and also ensem no. Felix Aponsi Asante Kotoko 3 Olympics 1 and no ensema and also the Atuja. Well, you must see a chunko kakra Olympics as say Michel Lotu Abranti Usi Academy great Olympics on midfielder, one of the fine midfielders it was Olympics now. Clearly, we call up a local players now. Your friend on midfield set.
Yeah. Edna Mariano Barreto cross and highlighted the threats, any experience Accra Great Olympics midfielders. No, James Akamenko, Gladson Awako, Hamza Zakaria, and of course Michel Otu. These are very, very good players on any day. Omubema Kumasi and Kotoko central midfielders and a lot of problems.
Well, see, you better come on, Yane, Michel Otu, you better come on, how Accra Great Olympics prepare for this game, and also a whole and some Asante Kotoko Konsuanra, Yadi Tuda, Edima Obiase, squad no, Messai Abaso, and Chakra. Yakwa Manaso, Michel Otu also, Michel, Bibia Bokode. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Michelle say line not to come. Now I'm going to say well, Accra Great Olympics because last week move that top of the table and Santiago will be and what the game is going to be and money and Santiago and so far come to say preparation saying and echo ahead of this game.
Madam was sending a key from Swati. Kunya Abba. So, and they come a boko and say, camp. You are well prepared for any match.
More prepared for the match. I mean, if someone share got to call the reverse first, that time I got to go see a kind of Accra Stadium now. More away in that game. More we need by one goal to nil. This time, Mona move home. My own say, I don't care about the Brazilians in the Kodogo team na say new coach by almost jelly nyoma ekoso 2 matches 6 goals and scare mo say one here another this time omatimi abetimo omo
Oh, Rabi, like I say, you are playing against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We found a new coach, and now we play on our and Rabi. We are coming all out. Which me a point.
Mama say munya points no among more players now more Olympics Glassina Wako all the other players no coming kono then amuka among yourselves mra mo be share Asante Kotoko.
Oh, I'm saying I no say ye na senti asene ko ade ahwe na ebi na ye tie on asene on the one na senti ma say new player crab fra every fly more it is say me a player because senti asene wo senti me say akasa be ye go call all out.
This time there will be no Fabio Gama, but there is another Brazilian, a friend of Michael Vinicius. We are just on what's in Ghana. Match Kotoko team no kakra. Move the bobo mo dey show.
Let's say any omo first run, so I think Fabio Gama not near ready. That's the one book. Any omo first. I not only ready for and ready. Fabio Gama will move Fabio Gama, different Michael and their friend Michael, right?
Yes, Michael Vinicius.
We are ready for the other here.
Yeah, okay, and then say mobile double over Santiago.
Oh, they can't, but the understands why I say.
Okay. Then message na be ma Krago Olympics. That the fans are almost on Kenya ne omo mon kran ni Kumasi ne baby a.
If come here make catch say from the one I start here almost support almost the more no yes almost say. Omo koso inya support na yen so ye show boss yen disappoint omo. Ye be ni omo come maximum ye be sure say at the ye be na point ndi amom na omo so ni ati. Na yen so ni ati. It's omo kosa omo time ni omo support.
Okay. Okay. Well, Uchelutu, thanks so much for your time this morning. Okay. Well, I got the Olympics. Midfield gem. And Obi, yeah. Well, also me jet up.
Absolutely.
For the game. It's going to be an interesting one.
So it'll be a great game. Yeah. Two teams are more possessive football in him. The pedigree of Mariano Barreto as far as football is concerned, being a Black Stars head coach. Was so more baby I was about memuha. Oshe ni philosophy now. Clearly, boys netias here playing from the back, holding on to play, involving the playmaker Fabio Gama. Omu yusu baby a park nisu baby and 10-1 finfini baby ano baby active as far as Mariano Barreto philosophy are concerned. Delightful football in my estimation, and it looks good. Omeshia Bechem United, Omeshia Brekum Chelsea. Nina mono na team the sort of red de mope. I know kaso enya ne challenges. Apomodin firm Koda Hospital. Ya pre kwani Godna Tram Som wasambe so jumedi anime, and they are just not giving up. Watch say locally or one of those fine local coaches I bet me they or almost say they can make a difference in the local league. Unfortunately for Olympics, Haruna Jamal Dean, the captain of the side, Wakoye Sergeant or unavailable. It will mean Razak Kasim, central and a defensive midfield and the best shift yaba alongside Philip Saki. Now Samuel Ashikwe and Eric Bonsu, a Bebrena friend of Say Bonsu, or Monebebo laterals. My concern is in central midfield because James Akame Kwaba, Gladson Awakuho, Michelle Otu, and in Kasa, a former under 20 playmaker. And Hamza Zakaria will be playing on the wings. Nuenya Mudasiro ni Ebenezer Seche and maybe Maxwell ni Abekwe because Maxwell ni Abekwe and shared the goal against Mediama. Very good goal. Goalkeeper Frederick Boateng to me Anya Hoshe. So Olympics team we even the friendly games some boy within this week unfortunately got Kolusu to Next Generation Football Club, but for friendly games I like the mentality of Mariano Mariano Barreto. Or see, even without Fabio Gama, the porcupine spirit need the biano expectation Kotoko Beko Akono. Now what me aye be stronko and the yenim se Kotokobo Accra Sports Stadium. And Accra Sports Stadium no near two of a strange venue for Kotoko. A one of Mabubo Bomuli games here until say Omni Brekum Chelsea Shire Shire or the Obuasil and Clay Sports Stadium. A home away from home basically for Kotoko. Into wrestling I'm ranting here relaxed now. A Chelsea pressure be anywhere. But there's pressure on Mariano Barreto because I was so a certain number of wins. Emma supporters na agina tum sonkoso say opanya wa be there or the and you see sometimes I don't get too worried in the sense that I think that the bigger dream is about Africa. I know building unity now yeah consistent sana. Yeah to me consistency na kotkore and I'm sure say Olympics for so no de bia no almost so dire say there's a great possibility somebody to me winning the Ghana Premier League. They've got the win over Kotoko in the first round, over Hartlepool, over Legon Cities, major clubs some more Great Olympics at Chelsea umbetumi handle omo me hwe Kotoko midfield na Habib Mohamed Bebo as the base ubenya Mudasiru as a number 8 no nya Jamfi ene Esiama no nya Andy Kumini Vinicius so mo lead the attack so that looks like more of a 4-4-2. I'm sure without the ball Kotoko will look like a 4-5-1 no ma Andy Kumini kwa when mo na Vinicius a drop it abeka central midfielders no Olympics are who dey no gina central midfield and your left back position or no a Hona MP crosses no and to an extent the right back position. In the Olympics, so an all-round team I think there's a weakness in goalkeeper Benjamin Asari for Olympics. So they can make mistakes, strikers no better take the opportunity and get a goal. I'm excited in the sense that Vinicius and the Kumino a Chelsea Mariano Barreto ayana dream say game where no one person be pack bas na defend it no hit you on the counter whichever way but or the rantie menu na ejina anymore no Olympic center backs need to be movie ball na more many and I was second code be I can say so Olympics this year say James Akame Nkwaba no don't know how to deal with him but most importantly is Gladson Awaku say Bonnie Medin in nana no now on done on looking out for space and against set pieces yeah in the first leg against Hartlepool and against Kotoko make a first round of the season free kicks ni corner kicks ya Gladson Awaku speciality international creates opportunities no man especially at the edge of the penalty box Mudasiru Abdul there or more like Franco say without the supplies or share that new game you don't say and then Habib Mohamed ni Mudasiru no more Juma ye was central midfielder so to me control this area hona there's a great possibility say Kotoko ebe to me enya win against Olympics but it will be an entertaining game for all of the neutrals. It will be an entertaining game one ranted by my ball so any and I'm just hopeful say start times for so by my good coverage now referees no soon by my solid officiating now let me enjoy this sort of traditional traditional assured yeah, referee need the assured a traditional battle Kotoko Olympics always exciting but Mami got double chance at Asante Kotoko
double chance
Asante Kotoko
all right Mimra yani Lawson Herbal I say for to train Koba kakra said every Friday no na yajing some day every Dr. Lawson and in a pump for
I see. I don't know who crying. But you know what to say.
Lawson Herbal.
Yeah.
And
yo, I see. Meda say and open na ya motifo ina aya chin e dia ba ojumede eso metaika sanya me enhira mo som na aso ani ebia ka santeman ene wi asefa na nyina na so obi tie na na pomode NCP enye peya enye ne de na ni ehye enye yi enti ene ya hwe de mu yi na ya hwe ya no mu yi na ya hwe ya na mu yi no mu ene ya de free by bane sa na wakai Dr. Lawson Herbal Products or de aba dwaso no aye fisha joni me 22 good years of practicing herbal medicine in fact omanfo e dia dance we are self na nyina na ye nro